Hi there, my name is Jacob. Thanks for visiting my profile. I just wanted to take some time to introduce myself and talk a little bit about my background. So I graduated from the University of Cincinnati with a degree in finance, and I have several years of experience working as an analyst in finance and in energy. I started on Upwork to break into the consulting world and to build out my network of clientele. I specialize in projects specifically related to analytics and working in Excel. I can build out Excel dashboards or report building. I use VBA a lot to complete this to maximize performance. I also do managerial consulting to review operational processes. I have a very broad skill set, so if this sounds like something that would interest you, feel free to send me a message on Upwork, and I look forward to working with you.